Hello, I'd like to introduce you to one of our adhesive systems, our M-Bond AE-15. M-Bond AE-15 is the cousin to our AE-10, very similar in its bond line and its strength and that sort of thing. Maximum temperature 200 degrees Fahrenheit, minimum temperature of minus 452. Elongation capabilities around room temperature are somewhere between 10 and 15%. It's 100% solids, and therefore it will not have any effect on plastic materials or those materials that might be sensitive to solvents. Does require an elevated temperature cure. The minimum cure temperature is 125 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 hours. Clamping pressure of between 5 and 20 psi. You can accelerate that by heating up the material, and we also on the instruction sheet show you that graph for that different temperature. So let's look inside. We have 6 10-gram resin jars, the proper curing agent, type 10 or type 15 curing agent necessary to cure it, and the appropriate pipettes with the proper mic marking and stirring rods for the mixing of the material. This material is considered a permanent adhesive within the parameters of temperature and elongation, and is an excellent material for those deep cryogenic tests that need to be cured in and around room temperature, only a slightly elevated temperature. This, along with many other of our adhesive systems, will be available on the MM shopping site coming soon.